What if you woke up tomorrow and every chip inside phones, cars, hospitals, banks just stopped being made? No new smartphones, no modern cars, no internet as we know it. In the next few minutes, I'll explain, in very simple words, what would really happen to our world if global semiconductor manufacturing collapsed tomorrow. And just before we begin, please subscribe to Thinkverse. It costs nothing, but it gives me the inspiration to create more mind-bending stories like this. Right now, almost everything modern runs on tiny silicon chips. Your phone has over 100 chips. A modern car uses 1,400 plus chips. A hospital ICU bed depends on dozens every second. Now imagine this. Tomorrow morning, every major chip factory shuts down. No Taiwan, no South Korea, no US, no China. Gone. Within weeks, global trade freezes. Economists estimate up to a 90% drop in global GDP. That's bigger than the Great Depression. Banks can't replace servers. ATMs fail one by one. Airplanes are grounded because avionics can't be repaired. The internet doesn't disappear, but it shrinks fast. Old servers stay alive, new ones never arrive. Technology stops moving forward. No new laptops, no smart TVs, no GPS updates. Factories return to manual controls. Offices go back to paper files. Communication slows to landlines and radios. It's not the Stone Age, but it's 1955 with electricity. Now comes the hardest decision humanity has faced. We only have limited working chips left. Who gets them? Hospitals, power grids, military defense, food supply systems? Every chip used in one place means another system goes dark. This is called the resilience gap. When society must choose what deserves to keep working, people slow down. Communities become local again. Skills like repairing, teaching, and farming regain value. Human judgment matters more than automation. For a moment, people remember how much real intelligence exists without machines. Progress stops. Medical research stalls. Climate modeling freezes. Space exploration ends. And rebuilding chip factories? That takes 10 to 15 years minimum. If this scenario made you rethink how fragile our world really is, stay with Thinkverse. Because in the next few days, I'll bring you another shocking question. What if a supercomputer found a mathematical flaw in nuclear fusion? An AI running on an exascale machine like El Capitan could discover a flaw that makes all nuclear warheads instantly useless, ending nuclear deterrence forever. If you don't want to miss that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Thinkverse. You've watched this far. Your support truly matters.